In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to Shopify and request advertising approval. By the end, your Pinterest account will be linked to your Shopify store, and you'll know how to submit your ad approval request so you can start promoting products. First, go to the official Shopify website. At the top right, click the login button. Select your Shopify account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. From the dashboard, look to the left panel and find Apps. Click Add under Apps to open your app options, then choose Shopify App Store. This will take you to the marketplace where you can find and install integrations that work with your store. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Pinterest. Locate the Pinterest app in the results and click on it to open the app page. Here you can review what the app does and the permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Install. You'll likely see a confirmation screen outlining the permissions again. Click Install one more time to confirm and proceed. After the app is added to your store, you'll be prompted to connect your Pinterest account. Click Connect Account. A Pinterest sign-in window will appear. Log into your Pinterest account and when prompted, click Give Access. This grants the permissions the app needs to sync catalog data, track performance, and manage your connection between Shopify and Pinterest. With your accounts connected, the next step is to request approval to advertise on Pinterest. Inside the app's setup flow, choose Request Approval to advertise. Click Send Request to start. You'll see fields asking for relevant information, typically details about your business, your website, and any required compliance information. Fill in the requested fields accurately and completely, then click Send Request again to submit. Pinterest will review your request, and a response usually takes about 3 to 4 business days. During this time, you don't need to take additional action. Just keep an eye on your email and your app notifications for updates. If Pinterest needs more details, they'll let you know. That's it. You've gone to Shopify, logged in, opened the App Store, found the Pinterest app, installed it, connected your Pinterest account, and submitted your advertising approval request. With these steps completed, your Pinterest is now connected to Shopify, and you're essentially set to begin advertising as soon as Pinterest approves your request. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check your dashboard for the approval status so you can launch your first campaign as soon as you get the green light.